Homo Cow Cow.
I.
Aloha everyone, I'm Kumuhula Jerry. Come from the big island. Aloha.
Big
Aloha.
island. A big island. A big island.
Super fairy. How come you go? I wanna go catch the super fairy.
Tu Kokomo.
Why you gotta go?
Tu Wainai.
Why you gotta go?
Tu Wai.
Hey, Super Fairy. Hey, what's up? Oh, UH.
Manoa.
Oh, look. We got some more babais cheerleading ladies.
Oh,
Give me an M.
and
Give me an A. Give me N. Oh. Give me an A.
A.
What does that spell? Manoa, baby. Give me an M.
M.
Give me an A.
A.
Give me an N.
A.
Give me an O.
O.
Give me an A. What does that spell? Oh, UH.
Rain's coming.
UH.
The rain's coming.
Rain's coming. We gotta check.
It's a raining man.
Homo Cow Cow. Why is it raining? Please go away.
Oh. Look at my
Justin, please help me. I don't know.
You guys didn't put eggs out like the Filipinos do. Every day the boiled eggs, it won't rain. Right? That's what you guys do, right? That's what you do.
That's a Filipino tradition. You guys are beautiful. You guys are beautiful. The synchronization. You guys are beautiful people. You guys are beautiful people. You guys are beautiful to look at. Beautiful.
You guys are beautiful people.
Okay, all right.
The one I never know.
You're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. You got me suicidal. And you know it's over.
Damn all you
You
suck.